Okay, today we're going to be factoring expressions. We did this in 6th grade, but we did simpler ones with less variables. So, basically factoring expressions is the opposite of distributing. It's kind of like going backwards. So instead of expanding the expressions, we're factoring. So what we need to do, the first thing you need to do when you factor expressions is you need to figure out what is the GCF of my two terms. So my first term is 3a, and my next term is 12z. I need to think what number goes into both 3 and 12. What's the biggest number that goes into both 3 and 12? So you have to think about the factors of 3. Well, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. And then the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So if you have to list all of the factors out to figure out what the greatest one is, you can do that. But you really should know it in your head that the biggest number that goes into both 3a and 12z is 3. So I'm going to take out a 3. Then I make my set of parentheses. And I need to think 3 times what is 3a? Well, 3 times a is 3a. Now I need to think 3 times what is positive 12z? Well, 3 times 4z is positive 12z. Now what you can do is you can distribute back to make sure that you got the right answer. So 3 times a is 3a, and 3 times positive 4z is plus 12z. So I know that this is the answer. 3 times the quantity a plus 4z. Let's do the next one. 63a plus 9z. What is the greatest number that goes into both of those terms? 9. So I'm going to take out a 9, and I need to think 9 times what is 63a? Well, 9 times 7 is 63, and then we have an a. So 9 times 7a is 63a. Plus 9 times what is 9z? Well, 9 times 1 is 9. I don't have to write the 1 here. I can if I want. And then I need a z. And then you can distribute back if you want to check your work. 9 times 7a is 63a. 9 times z is positive 9z. Next. 42a minus 7w. What is the greatest common factor of 42a and negative 7w? Well, the biggest number that goes into both of those terms is 7. So I'm going to take out a 7. 7 times what is 42a? 6a. 7 times what is negative 7w? Just w. Next, 2a minus 14. What's the biggest number that goes into both 2a and negative 14? 2. So I'm going to take out a 2. 2 times what is 2a? That's a. 2 times what is negative 14? That's negative 7. 7a and negative 14b. What number goes into both of those terms? It's 7. 7 times what is 7a? That's a. 7 times what is negative 14b? That's negative 2b. Next, 49a plus 7c. The GCF is 7. 7 times what is 49a? That's 7a. 7 times what is positive 7c? That's plus c. 3a and positive 24, the biggest number that goes into both of those terms is, sorry about the lighting, it's really not very good, is 3. I'm going to take out a 3. 3 times what is 3a? That's a. 3 times what is positive 24? That's 8. Next, 8a and positive 24. I can take out an 8. Yay, it went back to normal. Okay, the sun keeps moving on me. 8 times what is 8a? That would be a. 8 times what is positive 24? That's plus 3. For a and positive 24, the GCF is 4. 4 times what is 4a? That's a. 4 times what is 24? That's positive 6. Next, 9a and negative 63p. The biggest number that goes into both is 9. 9 times what is 9a? That's a. 9 times what is negative 63p? That's negative 7p. And that's it. You're going to do the rest of these problems on your own, and then you have one IXL to do. Okay, have a great day.